Hello everyone. It's been a long time. Actually, the longest break I've ever taken on this channel. Really sorry for this long hibernation time. I did not plan this. Life got a bit too busy and I couldn't keep up. Doesn't mean that it has become any less busy right now. I'm just trying to get accustomed to it. So, I'll try to be more active this time, but no promises. I don't know if anyone is actually waiting for me to upload anything, but here we go. Today I wanted to share this painting based on a reference I saved ages ago. Back then, it honestly felt way out of my league. But finally, now I felt like, why not just give it a try? The reference has this super dramatic light and bold, vibrant colors. Exactly the kind of stuff I love. If you know me, then you know that I usually avoid doing my line art and trust the process. Also, I do use a lot of liquify tool. There's no shame to admit that. For this painting, I have used my custom brushes, and one of them I actually made after the new Ibispaint custom brush feature. I really wanted to make a video on it, but unfortunately couldn't find the time for it. So if you are still interested, let me know. I will try to make a video on creating actually proper custom brush on Ibispaint. So this brush I made for myself was kind of a part of experiment to see if it goes somewhere. While doing so, I realized that understanding of light and shadow and color, and of course the value, matters more than what brush you use. So all these custom stuff is cool, but actually not necessary to make better art. Then again, if you are going for a certain style like oil painting or watercolor, then you might need these kind of special brushes. Otherwise, it's not really necessary. Okay, so I'll stop talking for now and let you guys focus on the painting. Feel free to leave your feedback and questions in the comment section. I would love to answer. and we're almost there. It felt so good to finally do something that once felt impossible to me. Actually, this also helped me break my art block cycle once again. Thank you so much if you are still watching even after my longest break. It means a lot, seriously. So if you are still here and enjoyed today's video, do let me know about it. It helps a lot with my motivation. And actually these days I'm so out of inspiration. I'm totally open to all of your suggestions. So if you have something in your mind, please do let me know. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Hopefully not 3 or 4 months later. Till then, take care.